B11 Vasant Kunj. This is how it looks at the night time. We have a Sarv Dharm wherein we believe in all religions. A beautiful place made, and this is all contribution from RWA and residents. This is how it looks at night. A lot of good lighting is there. Some animal shaped structures wherein the plants will grow and then it will look really nice. Swings, places to sit. So much of light. A lot of seats are there for the residents who want to sit, chit chat. We used to do it during the evening time majorly, or morning. Even the events do happen here. That's the children's park at night. The same Panchwati. We'll have a closer look this time. Okay. So the newspapers are here. That's the entry. We do also have some holy functions and Diwali functions. A lot of party goes around in this place. Okay. We'll go to the gym now. It's an open gym. There it is. Very much illuminated. People can come at night also, those who do not have time during the morning hours.